Hi, we are from UniKL and I'm Adila together with my colleague
Hariz Iskandar.
And today we are going to explain and demonstrate about the anti-rusting and soda precipitation by using soft drink. The material that we're going to use in this experiment are vinegar, milk, coke and rusted metal bar. And later on, we're going to show you why coke is bad for your health.
Hi, before we proceed with the experiment, allow me to explain to you guys what are the fundamental theories that you have to know. First, we have to understand what is the meaning of rust. Rust is a process of metal oxidation where it occurs slowly and eventually after a certain period, iron will absorb humidity from surrounding and later on it will form a brown layer on its surface. In order for rust to occur, there are three circumstances that must be present together. First is metal bar, water, and lastly oxygen. With absence of any one of the conditions, rust cannot occur. This is because the reaction has not complete. Rust also can happen if the metal bar was left in the surrounding. This is because surrounding is covered by humid air which consists of water and oxygen proportion. So if we left out the bar and on a certain period, rust will occur eventually. The chemical reaction between iron and surrounding, it will produce iron-free oxide. Although rust can occur naturally, however, it can be converted into its original condition. One of the techniques is by using acid. In this experiment, we are going to use two types of acid, which are inorganic and organic. Specifically is by using vinegar and cola. So later on, we are going to show you what are the difference in terms of their effectiveness and the time taken for rust to be removed. The reason why we choose cola is because it contains phosphoric acid as one of its ingredients. Phosphoric acid is a commercial product that is used for preservative and tartness. The chemical reaction between iron trioxide and phosphoric acid is as follows. Phosphoric acid is a moderately strong acid according to its dissociation constant. Meanwhile, inorganic acid, which is in vinegar, is a low acid due to its presence of carbon-hydrogen compound and make it have a lower dissociation constant.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will do an experiment about anti-rusting. This is a rusted metal and then I will immerse it in the coke with the coke. And you see it, I will immerse it and then we'll see the result in 5 minutes. See you later. Okay, 5 minutes done. Okay, we will see the result. And we rub it with the aluminium foil. We rub.
Okay, now you are with me, Iskandar, and now we have rusted metal, vinegar, and now we pour it. Okay, like usual, now we must immerse it in 5 minutes. Okay, now as you can see, we have metal. We have the rusted metal. This is where you can see it's very full of dust. And now we're using aluminium foil, and we just rub it with the rusted part. from our results, it is known that Coke taking a shorter time to oxidize the rust, and we found that vinegar taking a long time to oxidize the metal parts. Okay, and this is due to the properties of vinegar. Vinegar is basically a weak acid, and weak acids they have a pH value of around 4 to 5 and taking more time to react. In our case, it takes longer time to oxidize the rust.
And now we are going to conduct the second experiment. This experiment is about soda precipitate, and the material that we're going to use in this experiment is a bowl of milk, a shaker bottle, and a soda coke. And we just mix these two solutions together. And now shake it until a certain period. And we will see the result after this. See you later. I'm back. Now I want to show to you guys about our result from the previous experiment. As we can see, the solution are formed two layers, and clearly the bottom layers is the precipitate layers. As we can see that the mass transfer reaction occurs when these two solutions, which is coke and milk, was mixed. So our objective of this experiment are achieved successfully. That's all. Bye.
Okay, to sum up, from the demonstration that has been done, cola is very effective in removing rust from iron surface due to its corrosivity properties. So, based on this experiment, we can relate it into our daily life. It is unhealthy for us to consume cola. The iron bar is actually a metaphor to our body. When we start to drink cola, the phosphoric acid is potentially to trap our internal organ and causing our organs to fail from function properly. For the second part, the milk actually represents our teeth and bone because as you know, our bone is made up of calcium. If we start to drink cola, the acid will start to precipitate in calcium. It is hard to discharge the cola once precipitation process had taken place. And as for the consequence, our teeth and bone will start to decay, and later on, it might lead to osteoporosis. So, our suggestion is stay away from cola and start drink healthy.